Balancing equation, Sam Caldwell and me, period slash. Balancing equation is when you balance both sides for it to work. A chemical reactant is the process by which one or more substances change to produce one or more different substances. An example is a change of color in the fall is a result of chemical change in leaves. A chemical equation has reactants, which are the two elements that
has two reactants and a yield sign, which is pretty much an equal sign. It also has a product, which is pretty much the two together. The law of conservation of matter is the law that says no matter can be created nor destroyed. How to count atoms is you look at the atoms and you tell either if there's a number in front of it or before it. It's called the coefficient. This is a balanced equation because look, there's two iron atoms, Fe, and there's two oxygen atoms, O3. An unbalanced equation is like this. There's one aluminum atom and two chlorine atoms, but on the right side there's three chlorine atoms. It doesn't add up. How to balance the equation? First, you find a value like chlorine, and you equal it out on both sides. So I doubled the right side, and I tripled the left side of chlorine, and I got 6 atoms of chlorine on both sides. How to balance the second one is you balance the second reactant, which is aluminum, and you balance that. I balance that by doubling it because there's 2 here and there's 2 here, and so that's how it works. How to balance the equation step 3 is you make sure that they have equal amounts. So like there's 2 aluminum atoms on both sides, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 6 chlorine atoms on both sides. Balanced equation atom count is pretty much like this again. So this is another example of counting atoms. And there's 2 iron, 3 oxygen, 2 iron, both sides. And that's it.